So this is going to help you review the absolute value. So if you're doing the Reteach Learn Your Math, please be sure to watch this video to help you out. If you're not doing the Reteach, you are welcome to follow along though. So remember that the absolute value is telling us the distance a number is from zero. And distance is always going to be expressed as a positive number. So whether it's negative or positive, when we're talking about the absolute value, the distance to zero is going to be expressed as a positive number. So the absolute value is expressed with those two parallel lines on either side of the number. So here's an example right down here. So we're talking about this number -3 right here. And it's asking for the absolute value. You can see those lines on either side. So it wants to know the distance to zero is 1, 2, 3 places. So it's not -3 places. I mean, the number is -3, but just to get to zero, you're just counting to zero, is a positive number. So the absolute value of -3 is 3. And the absolute value of 3 is also 3. If you have -3, it takes 1, 2, 3 units to get to zero. If I have +3, it still takes 1, 2, 3 units to get to zero. So -3 and 3 are opposites on the number line because they're on different sides, but they're the same distance, 1, 2, 3 distances to get to zero. So they have the same absolute value of +3. So the absolute value of -5, I can come up to my number line and count to zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be 5 units to get to zero. Remember, we always express them as distance is a positive. So then I'm going to think of the absolute value of 5. So it's not on this number line, but it's right over here. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to get to 5 as well. So absolute value, whatever side of the number line it's on, count to zero in a positive way, and that is your answer. So go ahead and finish up this one and mark that I'm done button, and then finish up the do the math and do your assignment for the day.